So now we have look at adding whatever color we want to the CSS. So we are moving to change the direction a little bit and look at the positioning. Now you must have to notice that every paragraph and every division tag just appear below the previous one. Perhaps we want this green box to appear on the right hand side, and similarly we want this blue box to appear on the top left side of the page. So how we achieve it? Well, we actually do it using the concept of float, and actually it's pretty simple. So I have some changes the width of the box as 200 pixel, and inside this first section, that is the green box, I am going to put a property that is called as float, and let's mention the direction as right side. Let's just save it and refresh it. So here we go. So that float the green box to the right there, and you will see if we expand the size of the page, so it's float all the way to the right, which is really amazing. So similarly in the second section, which is the blue box, let's put the float property and mention the direction as left. Let's save it and refresh it. So hope that's responsible, straightforward. We got floating to the left and the right. Now let's see if we put some paragraph tag outside these two boxes or these div tags, so where the text will come. So outside these two divisions, let's put a paragraph tag. Okay, let's say this is not floated. Let's just save it and see the changes. Okay, so it's appearing at the middle of the two boxes, so anything that's not floated is just going to put itself on the page. Now if we want to this paragraph or this text would appear here on this web page, so for that what we are going to do, let's just assign a class to this paragraph. Let's say clear, and inside the style tag let me define or select this class with this clear particular class selector. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use clear property, and this property is used to clear the floating side on your web page. So we want to clear the float from both the side, from the right side as well as from the left side. So we will choose the both option. Let's just save it and refresh it. Okay, so with the help of this clear property, we have placed a paragraph on the new line. So this clear property is used to break the flow of the web page. Okay, so let's just quickly summarize. So if you want to float something on the left, it will appear on the left of non-floated element, and if you want to something to float on the right side, so it will appear on the right on non-floated element. And if you want something to appear underneath all your floating element, then you have to use the clear both option, which we have just used. So that was all about the floating. In the next video we are going to see about the positioning in the cascading style sheet. So we will see you in the next one.